In this video, we're going to be learning how to make the title screen of our video game, as well as how to add a new font to P5.js just to make it look a little prettier. All right, well, let's just start with this. To do your title screen, all of your code should go in between these two brackets where it says stage equals title. This is where your title screen code should go. All right, we're going to switch into the game when it's game time, but right now, this is all we're going to be working on. Now, all I'm going to do is put an image, some text, and show you how to change the font real quick. All right, so let's first find an image for our game. All right, and so I'm gonna just look for Pixel Racing Game. All right, something like this. Let's get an image for my game, just for my start screen, something that looks cool. Let's see what I got here. That looks great. Let's do that one. All right, now obviously I want to say this. My game's gonna look a little weird because I'm doing it quick and down dirty. See, these are called watermarks. You should not include anything with watermarks in yours just because you should be doing a better job than me. But for example purposes, let me grab this. All right, so I'm going to save this. I'm going to say race. Okay, great. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add an image in codehs.com. There's this new right here. We're going to go to upload. You will see here. I'm going to just grab this. Oh, sorry. I'm going to try that again. I'm just going to drag and drop it over. Okay, add the file, and now it's in my file tree. All right, now preloading is a little bit different. So I'm going to say let race background. Okay, that's the same. I'm going to make my variable. I'm going to preload it. I'll say race background is equal to load image. And in CodeHS, you actually do it a little bit different. You just come over here and copy this link. It says copy this URL to use in your program. All right, so I'm going to copy that URL and put it right there in between quotes. Now, the last thing is to add it to my title screen. So I'm going to say image, race background, and then I'm going to put it at 00, 800, 600 because that's the size of my canvas. I'm going to reload to get this started, and now I have my race background. Looking pretty good. Ugh, hate this over here. Please don't use this photo. All right, the next part is adding some text to the screen. So I'm going to add some very lame text here. Once again, I hope you come up with a better title, but I'm going to call this race game. All right, no exclamation point, that's a little tacky. I'll do it at 100, 100, and let's get that text size a little bit bigger. So I'll say text size, let's try 70. Okay, reload the page, and you'll see here I got race game, looking good. I'll center in a second, but not just yet. Now here's the deal. This font is okay, but it's not really matching kind of like the theme of this game. I want something a little more retro, a little more pixelated. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to something called Google Fonts, which has thousands of free fonts. Now, there's many places to find fonts, and you can find them all over the place, but here's just a good, easy place to get them. So what I'm going to do is, well, hold on. I think I have some old fonts. Let's remove all. We'll start from the beginning. So what I'm going to do is find a font. So you could just scroll here forever, and you'd see so many cool fonts. That's a kind of cool one. Some are futuristic, some are kind of old-timey, some are bold, some are kind of whispery. You just have to pick the right one for the theme of your game. Now, what I kind of want is like a kind of retro pixel kind of one. Oh, that's it. Ugh. Some are really ugly. So I actually know the name of it. I will say, let's look for pixel. And this one is kind of nice, right? That's very retro-y. So I'm going to press Get Font. I'm going to download it. I'm going to save it. All right, once you've downloaded it, all right, I'm going to double click to open it. And you should see there's a TTF file in yours. Now, yours might be in downloads, you might be on the desktop, probably in downloads, but you want to open that folder, that zip file, and then go into it. And this file that has a TTF at the bottom, that's the one that you're going to upload. Okay, so I'm going to come back here and go new, upload. Now mine I know is on my desktop. Boom, boom, and I'm loading in my fonts, just like I would with an image. So now I'm going to say let race font equal, let race font. I'll go to preload. I'm going to say race font is equal to load font. If that makes sense. Click on it. Get that link again. Go here. Okay. And then this is very important. You're going to say text font. And I'm going to put here the name of my variable, which is race font. Okay. Let's reload the game. And you see my race game font there? Looks good, right? Let's make it a little bigger. Let's move it over just a bit. Let's reload the page. And you see, now I got my game. Okay, looking much better there. Now you want to add other things to your screen. You want to have it like say like press A to start, because I want to show you if you press A, it really does start the game. You could change which letter that is. That's totally up to you. You want to say who it's by, and you want to give a little description about your game, like avoid all the cars to win, or like collect the coins, 50 coins to win the game. So just give a little description there as well. Oh, and also give yourselves credit. Say your names, like by so-and-so and so-and-so. All right, that's it for this video. I look forward to see what you make.